Creating an Instagram account is quick and easy. Here is how to do it. First, download and install the Instagram app from the Google Play Store or App Store. Open the app and tap Sign Up. You can sign up using your email, phone number, or Facebook account. Enter your email or phone number and tap Next. If you signed up with an email or phone number, you will receive a verification code. Enter it to continue. Next, create a username that will be your Instagram handle and a strong password. Choose a unique username that represents you or your brand. Fill in your profile details, including your name and optional profile picture. You can also connect with Facebook or find contacts to follow friends. Once done, tap Complete Sign Up, and you are all set. You can now start posting, following people, and customizing your profile. And that's it. Welcome to Instagram. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more social media tips.